In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell your domain name on GoDaddy. We'll walk through the exact clicks to get your domain listed fast with tips to price it smartly. Make sure you can sign into your GoDaddy account and that the domain you want to sell is active in your products. That way, everything is ready when we publish the listing. Start by signing in to GoDaddy. At the top right, open your profile menu and choose My Products. On that page, click Domains, then select Manage All. This opens the Domain Control Center where you can see your portfolio and the tools we'll use to list your name. In your portfolio, find the domain you want to sell and check the box next to it. You can select more than one, but handling them one at a time makes pricing easier. With the domain selected, open the action menu above the list and pick List for Sale to launch the selling workflow. You'll see a quick setup. Click Get Started, then enter your desired listing price. When you're ready, choose Next, to publish the listing, a few pricing pointers can help here. Short, memorable names and strong extensions can justify higher prices. Longer or niche terms usually move faster with a realistic buy it now. If you're unsure, glance at comparable sales and similar listings to anchor your number. A clear buy it now makes checkout instant, while allowing offers can attract interest but may slow the deal. Whatever you choose, make sure it reflects your goals, speed versus maximum price, and remember that marketplace fees and payout rules apply, so take a moment to review them before you confirm. To finish, complete the listing with your Afternic account. Afternic is GoDaddy's marketplace network that distributes your domain to partner sites for broader exposure. If you already have an account, sign in and confirm. If not, you'll be prompted to create one and add payout details so funds can be released on sale. After submission, the listing will propagate across the network, which can take a bit of time. You can return to your portfolio anytime to adjust price or check status. Keep your registration current while it's listed, and let GoDaddy and Afternic handle buyer reach, transfer, and payout once a deal is made. That's the full path. Sign in, open My Products, go to Domains and Manage All, select your name, list it for sale, set your price, and finish through Afternic. Follow these clicks, and you'll have your domain in front of real buyers in minutes.